Hi guys, we're back. Well, now we're gonna do a cupcake bakery. So basically, the cupcake bakery makes cupcakes and ships them off to supermarkets across the country. The pictograph below shows how many cupcakes they bake each day. Use the information on the graph to answer the question. Well, let's go ahead and just see how many cupcakes they baked each day. Now, each cupcake equals 100. And just because I see some halves, what is half of 100? Well, we know that half of 100 is 50. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let's count by hundreds. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and we have a half, so it'd be 750. On Tuesday, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. On Wednesday, 100, 200, 300, and a half, 350. Thursday, 100, 200, 300, 400, and a half, so 450. And Friday, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Well, there we have the amount of cupcakes baked each day. That's quite a bit, isn't it? So how many cupcakes were baked on Monday? We go up, we know 750. Were more cupcakes baked on Monday or Friday? So we have 750 and we have 600. That would be Monday. On which day were the fewest cupcakes baked? Well, if we look, we can see with our pictogram with our eyes that it's Wednesday. How many cupcakes were baked on Tuesday and Wednesday combined? So we need to do some math here. Tuesday was 600, Wednesday was 350. We want to know how many were on both days, so we're going to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 3, 9. So it's 950. The next one, how many more cupcakes were baked on Tuesday than Thursday? Okay, so we want to know how many more, so we're going to be subtracting. Tuesday was 600. The other day we're looking is Thursday, which was 450. Again, we're looking for how many more, so we're subtracting. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, oh, we gotta borrow. Put 5 up there, put our 10s right there. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 150 more cupcakes were baked on Tuesday. Number 6, how many more cupcakes were baked on Friday than Wednesday? Well, on Friday we had 600. On Wednesday we had 350. Again, we want to know more, so we're subtracting. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have a 0 up there. We can't do it without borrowing, so we put our 10 there. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we 250 more were made. In 7, the Cupcake Bakery only makes 2 kinds of cupcakes, chocolate and white. On Friday, they baked 200 white cupcakes. How many were chocolate? So, on Friday, we know they baked 600. We knew 200 were white. We want to find what would be left. If we're finding what was left, that would be subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 400 chocolate cupcakes. Again, if you have anything to change, go ahead. I'm going to erase. And the last one. On Wednesday, the bakery made 100 chocolate cupcakes. How many white cupcakes did they make? So I know that on Wednesday they made 350. If 100 were chocolate, again, I want to find out how many were left. So I'm going to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 250 white cupcakes. Okay, now we're going to go on to the next page. Okay, our French restaurant pictograph. A French restaurant opened in 208. The pictograph below shows how many customers they've had each year since it opened. Each plate is worth 1,000 customers. So now, half of 1,000, I'm going to tell you, is 500. So when you see a half a plate, that's 500. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out how many plates. See if I can get this up so we have all, there we go. Everything in there. So we know that this is one plate, which is 1,000, plus a half, which is 500. So 1,500 people ate there. In 2009, they had 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. In 2010, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And in 2011, it was 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, and half a plate would be 500, 7,500. So what does each plate symbol stand for? And we need to write 1,000 customers. What does half the symbol stand for? 500 customers. How many customers did French's have in 2011? 7,500 customers. And how many more customers did French's have in 2010 than in 2008? Well, here we go, some subtracting. 2010 was 6,000. I have to change color here. 6,000. 2008 was 1,500. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't subtract 5 from a 0, so I borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4,500. Okay. What is the first year French's had more than 2,000 customers? And that would be 2009. If the trend continues, make a prediction for how many customers they will have in 2012. Well, think about this. They went up 1,500. Well, and how did I get that? I took 7,500 minus 6,000, and I found out that was 1,500. What could I do with that? Well, maybe I could add that to 7,500, which is what they had this year, to figure out what they might have next year. You take a crack at it. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.